I get a chance to sit back there. I'm letting the youth get it. We have our platform at the bottom, and now we're about to start going perpendicular. Now, come here. Solid. Now, this is fine. However, once you get it, go find me another one of this size and put in the middle. They don't need to stack on top of each other going that way. They need to be side by side. Then once you get that filled out, then you can start your other way, going that way. So she got the one more, put it there. Now, start me another row going perpendicular. Go ahead and you already got this one here?
The same big ones?
That's the one exception. So go ahead and put it up there perpendicular. That's fine. Bring it over to the center more. Yeah, center it up. That's fine. Now go and get the other ones, the biggest ones. Get everything big. Don't get nothing small until you get all the big ones that's facing the same way. There you go. They facing the same way. Get them. Lay it next to it.
Yeah, I need to get that part because I show it with the next size.
No, everything stay what it is. Yeah, put it right next to it. Yep. Then go on the other side of the big one. Going up. Yep. Fill in that little space right there that's in the middle. Yep. And you got enough room. Get that one that you left. Don't leave any firewood around. That's how niggas fall and bust their ass. Put it on the side. Fine. Now, continue with the same big ones that come up, but they gonna go perpendicular. Then, if there is none, then start getting the ones going the other way. Yeah, I had to process the wood, so as y'all know, upside down fire, the process of putting the biggest, you have to process it, by diameter.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, ma'am. Take it out. Yep. Not yet. Don't, son.
I'm sorry.
Jesus Christ. You can't just throw the wood around. If it's not in the fire, put it back in the wood area.
Baby, shout Jesus.
Not yet, honey. Go ahead and fill out this. Just need to, put it over here somewhere. See? Right there. Yep. Now that row is full. Now continue with the same ones, and we're going to continue to go perpendicular is the word for today. Perpendicular.
I thought job was the word for today.
You thought what was the word for today?
Job.
That's
Job?
the word for today.
Why would job be the word for that? Because y'all niggas been working?
Yeah.
Supposed to be.
Job.
See, in my class, son, you have to see it, you have to do it, and you have to feel it, which is another way of experiencing. Son, all of those that's laying the other way you have not gotten. Look over there. See what I'm saying? No. Correct. Yes. Those are laying their way. Bring those over.
Now, Craig, if you get up off your ass and go look for a job today.
One more can go. Yep. See if you can get one more up there. If they count along, see if you can get that one more up there. Yep. And one more. You put one more on top of that one. Since that's. Yep. Now we going to the different size. She over there. She just being bam today. You got to hit it toward the center, Sugarfoot. That's better. You got to swing a little harder than that.
Hit the pressure point.
That's okay.
It's the breach point.
Right. Look at this. There we go. Yes, it does.
Tip it off work.
But you're not following through with your swing, son.
You gotta hit the amount of pressure at its pressure point.
Yep, in the middle. And you keep reaching over. You're leaning too hard. Don't worry about it. Bring it on. Come on, because I don't know how much film I got. Right. Even though it's a camera, I'm old. Fuck it, it's film. Yeah, that's a little too long, goddamn it. Go ahead, continue.